I'm looking for cats, I'm looking for owls, I'm looking for Christmas, and of course, my weekly variety sale on Whatnot. So hopefully we find some good stuff. Whoa, I've never seen a pair of them. $7 for the pair. That's a yes. That's really cool. And look at this. Vintage vase, $9. What about this one? This one's $18. I feel like this is supposed to be the creamer and sugar, and this one's missing its lid, if I'm not mistaken. It's still only $9. Is that Fitz and Floyd over here? What's this crazy looking vase thing? Oh, it's kind of a tight squeeze. $5. That's very cool. Unusual pottery vase, sold. Yes. All right, now, what else was I was doing something. Oh yeah, I thought this was Fitz and Floyd. Ah! It is. Piggy creamer, $8. The salt and pepper shakers are $10. That's a really good deal, but I think I'm gonna pass today. All right. Kind of tempted to pick that up because it's only $9. I'm gonna let it go. What is this? Is this new? I think it's new. It's got a really unusual look to it. Yeah, it is new though, unfortunately. Super cute. I love this guy. Whoa, this booth is seriously expanded. It has been sometime since I've been here, hasn't it? Oh, lots of good stuff. Look at this frog. He's fantastic. $16. I think that's a little close for me. Santa planter. I see it's got a hairline. Of course, I still love the ballerina. The little umbrella girl. That's kind of strange. Huh. And then the heart planter. What's happening with the frog box? $9.25. Hobbyist piece. New. It's very cool though. I love a good frog box. Let's see what else we can find. I saw a raccoon pull toy, but it didn't really speak to me in the way I wanted it to. What's going on in the case? I like that cat. The pink one. I wonder how much that is. Of course, it's like the one thing I can't see what the price is. All right, well, I see it says $11 as is. I think it's because it's missing a couple of the rhinestones, which I don't even think are supposed to be there. Somebody altered that and added rhinestones and glitter. Honestly, if it wasn't in a case, I would probably grab it, but I'm just not feeling it. All the way at the end. Oh, let's see. Little fuzzy ceramic dog. He's got a nick though. This mug. Oh my gosh. $16.95. Holt Howard. What? I'm gonna look that up. I've never seen that one before. You know what? I started to Google and then I stopped. There's none listed. I've never seen it. It's $17. $17 for a Holt Howard piece I've never seen in good conditions. Doesn't need too much thought. Look at this. These are so fun. $4.95. Oh, he's fantastic. A weirdo horse. I'll take that too. Now, look at this. This is very cool. Bee honey. It's a little bit more than I'd like to have invested. What is... This is strange. I'm kind of scared to get these out. Japan. $13 stacking chickens. Very cool. Kind of tempted to get those too, but I'm nervous about the Scotch tape. Plus, I kind of have a lot going on right now. Love the squirrel. See, I want to get those. Those are at $8. Is there anything else in here that makes this key worthy? I guess if I got the keys for this, I could get the keys for...
Yeah, I'm doing.
Oh, I hate cases. Yep, I see a Hagen Renneker raccoon. All right, we're getting keys. But first, dun 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 dun, 25. That's a really good selling one. A single hold Howard shaker, 13. I'm gonna pass on that. What about this guy? He's fantastic. $20. I can make a couple bucks off that. And I'm going crazy now. This one is at, that is such a good one. I think I could make a couple bucks off that too, honestly. I'm going a little nutsy. These are going to be buy it nows, so I can afford to, because I already know what I'm going to price them at in my head. Again, I'm not going to double my money on a lot of this stuff, but it's a new platform. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. $13. That's fantastic. I'm going to take this too. All right, I need to get keys. This is getting out of hand. These are fantastic. 19, that's a pass. $8, very cute. Could probably get away with it. I'm spending a lot of money. Oh my gosh. Let me put this back where I found it so no one yells at me. Snail thing. What about this little mushroom head guy? That's really fun. All right, I need to come back here. Oh my gosh, some weird cats. This is out of control. All right, now, what is going on here? 1950s Capelli wicker dog purse. That is fantastic. Honestly, I would probably consider paying that much for it if it was, the dog train was still, hadn't passed. This is cool. Very different. Let's see, are there any more cats I need? 14, that's a little spendy. Batman mug. That's kind of unusual. You don't see a Batman mug every day. 11 bucks. That's probably a really good price. What is that? Oh, I thought it was a mermaid at first on the other side, but that doesn't make any sense, so it's probably not what it is. Wow. Very overboard today, but it's okay. New start. This is hilarious, by the way. All right, I think that's, ooh, just kidding. Snail salt and pepper shakers, $9. Well, that's a no-brainer too. What's this owl? Japan, $15. That's probably about retail. Oh my gosh, look at this. $19 though. I don't think I can swing that. What's going on here? $20. Yeah, all a little bit close, especially for the auction style. This is fantastic. Cats by Nina Teapot. I love that. That was weird. I don't know why I stuck my finger in it like that. What in the world is this? Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. So weird. All right. Hippo. And of course, I see there's a 40% off sale here. That's very cool. I need to stop saying that's cool. I feel like I've said it a million times today, and it's annoying me. If it's annoying me, I can only imagine how annoying it is to you. Cat mug. What? Dude. That's... Oh my gosh, there's so many unusual ones in here. Here's a little cat planter, $8 and 40% off. I'll take that. And then I see some more owls over here. There's a lot going on in here. Pink cow creamer. You never see a pink one. They're usually purple. $12 and 40% off. That's not bad at all. I kind of went overboard today. Let me stick to the script here. Squirrels. $10. I don't see a discount. See Royal Copley. Also, I see this weird. This is fantastic. $10, no discount. Can't do that. Royal Copley's at $18. That's more than I'd like to have in it. I don't sell them for that much, especially because they're on the more common side. All right. I've been here for way too long. Cute little dog bank. I looked at that last time. Yo, what is happening here? Oh my gosh. Dude, this is sick. Tell me there's no price on this. You serious? Oh, there it is. Okay, good. I was gonna say $43.95, 40% off. I don't think it's gonna want to go back. That's so fabulous. Is it for the pair? I don't think it is. No, they're each. Okay, good. I can let that go. That is so fantastic. I feel like I could make money off that because it's so weird, but it's definitely a unique, specific buyer, to say the least. Look at this donkey. That's fantastic. $12, 40%. I feel like someone's gonna want that. Oh, dude, this is so cool. And it's $8 and it's 40% off. Are they like seahorses? I can't figure out what's going on there. But for that price, I'll figure it out later. What a fantastic vase. Wow. Love the green. It's got texture. Really cool colors. Also, look at that rocking horse thing up there. I'm like looking at 10 different things right now. The horse box. It's not what I thought. All right, focus. That's very, it's got a certain look to it, but I'm kind of tapping out. I've already been here way longer than I was trying to be. I feel like I like lost an entire day. I couldn't find my wallet this morning and I already was running late. It was just like a whole thing. And now I'm afraid I'm only gonna get to like half the places I wanted to today. Ooh, little Christmas girls. Watch, this is gonna be a set. And the third one's broken and the third one has a tag. Oh, typical right now. All right. Gosh, I think I spent a small fortune in here. But it's been a while since I listed stuff as buy it now. I've been kind of riding Whatnot all year. Bananas. It's not what I thought it was, though. It looked like the Capodimonte. Dude, this is really cool. I said it again. I'm firing myself. But aluminum hand-painted teapot. It's $9, but it's also 50% off. It's got a really different look to it. For like $4.50 or whatever it is. I'm going to pick this up. I'm also going to explore inside of this booth. I'm a little nervous to go in. I don't know if I'm going to fit with all my baskets and stuff. I don't really see anything else. All right, well, I'm also just noticing at checkout that these are not for the pair. They're individual, and one has damage. So as sad as I am, I really just want to get one because they're so great. I think it's $16. Oh, it's so good, though. This one doesn't have any damage. So good. The face is everything. Oh, I gotta let it go. All right, well, I spent $230 in there, and I am back on the move. So hopefully I can still make it to my... God, how many stops do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 stops? You think I can do it? It's really late.